What is up, guys? It's Rick here. I hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I will be sharing with you all my favorite meals that I enjoy eating when it comes to reaching my personal goals, whether it is fat loss or muscle gain. So now, it is now currently 12:30. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm getting kind of hungry. So let's get to the kitchen for meal number one. So here we have meal number one, and this is one of my all-time favorite meals I like to eat at least 3-4 times a week. So basically here we have some sweet potato covered in natural peanut butter. And if you haven't tried the combination of sweet potato and peanut butter or almond butter, you don't know what you're missing. It's one of the best combinations. I also added some 0-calorie Walden Farms walnut maple pancake syrup, just a little bit on top. I also have my protein pancakes underneath with 2 whole eggs on top and a skyr Greek yogurt. Sometimes I use skyr, sometimes I use Greek yogurt frosting. I make my own frosting. If you want to see how I make the frosting, let me know in the comments down below. Actually, if you want to know how I make everything, just let me know in the comments down below. So here we go. Meal number one. This is around 1,000 calories. I'll have the macros at the end of the video. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna enjoy this meal, and I'll see you later. Okay, so it's about 2-3 hours after my first meal, and I'm getting kind of hungry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a 200-calorie Quest bar. This is one of my favorites. It's the blueberry muffin flavor. Macros are pretty good. You got 190 calories, 7 fat, 21 protein, and 22 carbs. Now I'm not just gonna eat it like that. What I like to do is zap it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Put it in a plate. I don't know if you can see, but zap it in your microwave. Fail, take that out. Just to get it all nice and gooey and soft. Spoon. Magic syrup. I'm going to show you. You want to make sure that it's pretty soft, cake-like. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to put it back in for another 5 seconds. That should be perfect. That should be perfect. Hey, I'm looking at the camera. Alright. So here you go. Let's see this again. Perfect. Nice and soft. Now you're going to take some. Try to do this with one hand. That's it's a brand new one. I gotta take off. Alright, so you're gonna put some whipped cream like this. Like that. You're gonna open the syrup. Alright, and you're gonna pour just a little bit on top. Like that. Alright, looks good. One more thing. Himalayan sea salt. Okay, so Now watch this. Now when you take it, look at that. Really good. Yeah, you gotta try this. I'm gonna bite. Alright. I'm gonna go finish this. And I'll see you for meal number 2 or 3. Hey guys, so now it is 6 p.m. and I'm about to have my final meal of the day. So here what we have is some extra lean ground turkey with some brown rice with 250 grams and a nice mixed salad with some hummus on the side. So this is a pretty big meal, but this will keep me full until tomorrow. This is around 900 calories. I'll have the macros and calories later on in the video, but this is basically what it is. This is how I like to eat my last meal of the day. Alright, so I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy it, and I'll catch you later. Hey guys, what is up? So that's gonna wrap up my full day of eating. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got some great meal ideas from it. And if you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. And if anybody is interested in working with me, I offer one-on-one online coaching, meal plans, workout routines. So please feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, or go visit my website. I will set all the links in the video's description down below. So like I said, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and by the way, the total number of calories for the day are 2,200 calories with 216 grams of carbs, 66 grams of fat, and 188 grams of protein. So like I said, don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment, good or bad. I'll be looking for your comments down below. So like I said, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Ciao.